Get these really heavy-duty DEWALT ratchet straps. They have a max 1,100 pound work strength and a max 3,300 pound break strength. Got coated hooks, that's nice. Coated D-ring. 1 year warranty. Let's give them a try. Some instructions. A lot of people I know have used these for years and they always get it backwards. But when this is stuck, locked in place, you pull this little handle and that releases the mechanism. And then you put it here and it locks again. When you want to thread this, you close this, put the threading through this little slot and pull it out of the way. And you pull as much slack as you need initially. When you open it, you start tightening it. And it starts wrapping around that reel, that spool. Okay. Attach this together. You can put it through the hoop like this if you want. Another way I like to do it is to double hook these. Try to get one in a hook here. And one in a hook here. There we go, like that. That double hooks it. However, you have to keep in mind that this is not a knot. So when things are fixed, they're not going to move. And you're trying to tie them down for secure reasons, like on a dock or part of the house. This would be okay, but this is on a boat, on the trailer, and it could move a little bit. And if you're real tight, this will be fine, but if for some reason this slid forward and loosened, this may come apart. So your other choice, besides using the hoop and the hook, is to just tie a knot in these right here. Tie a little slip knot, and they'll stay in there. These hooks will keep them from slipping. I do a combination of all three. So for now, we're tying down the USS Miss Trudy. I'm just gonna do a simple hook. Pull this tight. You also want to be careful when you place this clamp. You don't really want to put it right here because it may mar up and come over the edge. So you want to make sure you start tightening it where it's not going to move much. There you go. Tight. Lock it down. You can wrap this around if you want to. Tie it down with some kind of tie wrap or Velcro wrap on there. But that's pretty tight. Open it. Like that, and you can feel it pop when it's tight. And here we go. Snaps right out.